I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon with an office on Park Avenue. When patients come in to see me, I want them to feel like they're in an intimate setting in the middle of a big city. We run a boutique practice, and individualized personal care is really the mainstay of how we do business here. I love what I do. Helping someone to get that particular look that they've been after, sometimes for their entire life, is really very fulfilling. Whether it's a mommy who wants to try to get her body back after giving birth, a patient who wants to have their nose fixed just a little bit, or sometimes it's a complete body lift. Every patient who comes to see me has their own hopes and expectations. That's why I sit down with every one of them for at least an hour to go over exactly what it is they would like to achieve. And then I try to lay out a plan to help them to get there. The most important qualities that patients need in a plastic surgeon are trust and craftsmanship. I've spent countless hours in the OR, and I've been refining my skills on thousands of patients over the years. During that time, I've been able to narrow my practice down to less than 20 procedures that I do over and over again. This kind of focus helps me to deliver consistent results for a variety of different patient types. I know what I can deliver, and I promise that I'll give you the best advice I can regarding any procedure that I offer in this practice.